Hi everyone. Welcome to Airdrop Insider. I'm Adam, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the Solayer Airdrop, an exciting opportunity in the blockchain world. By the end of this video, you'll know how to participate in this airdrop, what makes Solayer unique, and how to engage with the project responsibly. And if you have questions or need guidance, feel free to contact me directly through my Telegram channel. I'm here to provide advice, share updates, and help with your crypto journey. Let's get started. The Solayer Airdrop is an initiative aimed at rewarding participants who engage with the Solayer platform. Solayer focuses on providing decentralized finance solutions, creating opportunities for its community to participate in the ecosystem. Through this airdrop, users can earn free tokens by completing simple tasks, supporting the project's growth, and helping build a vibrant community. Participating in the Solayer Airdrop offers several benefits. Token rewards. By completing tasks, you'll receive tokens distributed directly to your wallet. Community inclusion. Be part of a growing project focused on innovation and transparency. Potential value. While the exact value depends on the token's market performance, participating now gives you early access to Solayer's ecosystem. Let's talk about the part everyone loves: profit. Based on similar projects, this airdrop could generate rewards worth approximately $1 to $1,000. If Solayer tokens are valued at $1 upon release and you receive 1,000 tokens, your total reward could be around $1,000. And if the token value rises as the project grows, your profit could increase significantly over time. Here's how to claim your Solayer airdrop in 3 easy steps. Visit the official airdrop page. Complete the required tasks. These may include joining their Telegram group. Remember to double-check that you're using the official website to ensure your participation is secure. If you have any questions about the Solayer airdrop or need assistance with other crypto projects, I'm here to help. You can reach out to me directly through my Telegram channel for advice, updates, and support. The link to my Telegram is in the description below. Don't hesitate to connect. I'm always happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. The Solayer Airdrop is a fantastic way to explore a promising project and engage with the blockchain community. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider for more updates, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about the latest opportunities. Good luck with your airdrop journey, and remember, I'm just a message away if you need help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.